Good morning, students. Welcome back. In this class, we are going to study data types in Java. Data types play a key role in maintaining and allocating fixed storage size for the variable being declared while writing the program. And data types specify the different size and value that can be stored in a variable. Variable hold data operands in memory location. By associating an appropriate data type at the time of the variable declaration, further manipulation of operands and maintaining precious without round off and truncation error is possible. Because of that, it is important to be familiar with data types. Then we can discuss what are all the data types in Java. There are mainly two types in data types. First one is primitive data types. Second one is non-primitive data types. Then we can discuss what is primitive data type. The primitive data types include int, float, char, short, byte, long, boolean and double data types. Non-primitive data types includes classes, interface and arrays. Here the following is the chart of data type. Here the first data type can be classified into primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Then primitive data type can be classified into two types. Those are Boolean and numeric. In Boolean, there is only one data type. That is Boolean data type. Then in numeric, there are two types. First one is character. Second one is integral. In character data type, char data type. In integral data type, there are two types. First one is integer. Second one is floating point. In integer, there are four types: byte, short, int, long. Then in floating point, there are float and double. This is the full picture of the data type can be classified. Hope you guys are understand. There are mainly 8 types of primitive data types. First one is Boolean data type, byte data type, short data type, int data type, long data type, float data type, double data type and char data type. Following is the table of the types of the data type and their values and their default size. First, Boolean data type default value is false. In Boolean data type, we can assign only two values. First one is true and false, but default value is false and its default size is 1 bit. Second one is char. Char default value is 000. Then its default size is 2 bytes. And third one is byte. Default value is 0. Default size is 1 byte. Fourth one is short data type. Default value is 0. Default size is 2 byte. Next, int. Int data type default value is 0. Default size is 4 bytes. Then long Long data types default value is 0, default size is 8 bit. Float data type default value is 0.00, default size is 4 byte, and double data type default value is 0.000 and default size is 8 bit. This is the table of data types and their default values and their default size. We can discuss one by one data types briefly. Here first one is Boolean data type. Boolean data type is used to store only two possible values. First one is true, second one is false. This data type is used to simple flag track to true or false condition. And Boolean data type denotes by the keyword Boolean. And also it suggests local or logical value to be stored using only one bit of storage. And the Boolean data type specifies size can't be defined precisely. For example, Boolean option equal to false. Example is Boolean option equal to false. First condition. Second condition is Boolean option equal to true. You can take any variable. You can take option or you can take 1, you can take 2. Any variable you can declare. But the value can be stored is true or false. Only two possible value can be stored in Boolean data type. Second one is byte data type. In this, the byte data type is an example for primitive data type. It can be stored 8-bit signed or 2 complements integer. Its value range lies between -128 to 1 plus 127, and the minimum value is -128 and maximum value is -127, and the default value of the byte data type is 0. I hope you all are understand. The byte data type is used to save memory in large array where the memory saving is most required. It is used in save a memory in a large array where we are going to save the memory size. It saves the space because a byte is 4 times smaller than the integer. The byte is 4 times smaller than the integer. It can also used in the place of int data type. We can use byte data type in the place of int also. For example, byte a equal to 10, byte b equal to -20. In this example, we also assign int in the place of byte. Int a value equal to 10, then int b value equal to -20. The next one is short data type. The short data type is a 16-bit signed to complement integer. Its value range between -32,768 to plus 32,767. The minimum value is -32,768 and maximum value is 32,767. And default value is 0. The short data type can also be used to save memory is just byte data type. It is short data type is 2 times smaller than integer. Byte data type is 4 times smaller than the integer. But short is 2 times smaller than the integer. Example, shorts equal to 10,000, short are equal to minus 5,000. In this example, we are going to assign 10,000 value for the s variable minus 5,000 value for the r variable, and the data type is short. It is 2 times smaller than the integer. Then int data type. The int data type is 32-bit signed to complement integer. Here the value range between minus 2147 483 6482 2's complement of 2 raised to 31 minus 1. Here the minimum value is minus 2147 483 648 and maximum value is plus 2 147 483 647. The default value is 0. The int data type is generally used to default data type for the integral value unless if there is no problem about memory. The default value of the integral value is int. The example for int data type is int a value equal to 1 lakh, int b value equal to minus 2 lakh. Then long data type. Long data type is a 64-bit to complement integer. Its value range between minus 2 raised to 63 to 2 raised to 63 minus 1. The minimum value is minus 2 raised to 63. Maximum value is 2 raised to 63 minus 1. The default value of the long data type is 0, and the long data type is used to when you need to range a value of more than those provided by the int. For example, long a equal to 1 lakh long, long b equal to minus 2 lakh long. Then we can discuss float data type. The float data type is single precision 32-bit floating point. The value is unlimited. It is recommended to use a float if you need to save a memory in a large array of the floating point numbers. We can use float data type for the floating point numbers. The float data type should never be used for a precise value such as currency. We cannot use float value for the currency, and the default value is 0.0 f. For example, we can assign floating data type for the float variable. Float f1 equal to 234.5 raised to f, and next is double data type. In this data type, data can be precision for 64-bit IEEE 754 floating point. Its value also, its range is also unlimited. The double data type is generally used for decimal value, just like a float. Float and double are used for the floating point numbers. The double data type also should never be used for precise value for such as currency. We cannot use a double data type for the currency, and the default value is 0.0D. The example is double D1 equal to 12.3. Then next is character data type. Character data type is denoted by the keyword char. It suggests a single character constant value to be stored in 2 bytes. Character data type denoted by the keyword char, and the size of the storage is 2 bytes. The char data type follows Unicode character set, and the char data type is used to store character only. For example, char letter A equal to A. Thank you. Here it's complete your data type in Java class.